I know we look a mess right now.
I know, right?
Hey y'all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yeah, we've been away for a long time. I know.
I think it's like 6 months. We haven't been here. The audacity to come back.
You know how it is?
Shit.
It's 2026. Happy New Year, guys.
Yeah, New Year. Yeah. Welcome to 2026. So it's New Year, new resolution.
And YouTube is part of it. You guys need to even start fasting and praying for us to be consistent.
Cause I don't know, right?
Like, it's not easy. Did so well the last time. Like, it was 2 months of consistency.
And it's not a bad idea to, continue again. So here we are.
Why this marks is on our face is we just finished meal prepping for the week. Yeah, because today is Sunday.
We have a lot to do this week, and I really don't know if we're going to be able to sit down like this to talk, but we're going to try our best to give you guys updates on a week in our life this week.
And the thing is, we want to try and start, going to places like
we're actually the introverted type.
Yeah, so that's what we're trying to do in 2026 to start going out often, because we always stay indoors,
especially to film our content.
Stop.
Tomorrow morning we are going to the gym,
and also we have an appointment by 10 a.m. tomorrow.
Yeah, and on Tuesday we have by 12 p.m. for our nails.
And we also need to go to the gym.
Go to the gym 4 times a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays are like rest. Thursday, Friday, we also go to the gym. Wednesday is our rest. Tell me why we didn't book the new appointment for on Wednesday. So that
guys, let me say something. It was Mercy that did this thing, because she was like, oh, okay, she wants us to like stay consistent.
Yeah.
And like we brought the rule that okay, since it's 2026, we need to start posting consistently, because last year in 2025, for the first few months, 6 months, we were posting like every day. So we want to get into that. So Mercy was like, okay, so we should do our hair appointment Monday, Tuesday, we should do our nails. Like, we should do it back to back.
You guys, like, I'm already regretting it, because to be very honest, the meal prep we did today, I'm already exhausted.
Yes, exactly. But do we have a choice?
No. But you know what? We're gonna survive, right? It's 2026,
Yeah. We're going to survive,
right? We have no choice. Anyway, guys, see you tomorrow. I think it's a good night for us. We'll just go and shower and get to bed.
Yes. I wonder when we're going to wake up, right?
I think we need to start, we need to wake up as early as 5 a.m.
5 a.m.
because we got a film for TikTok or YouTube shorts. Anyone?
Alright, I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.
Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller. Yeah.
Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, so we are on our way to the gym, and it's 7:41, guys. 7:41. We're so late. We didn't beat time, you guys. Like, our plan was actually to leave here by 7. Time is already to 8. Oh my God. And we've been up since I think 6 a.m. Yeah, and remember that we're going for our hair appointment by 10 a.m. The thing is that our subscription for the year already ended in 2025, so this is a new month, so we have to renew it. We've not been at the gym for about 2 weeks now because of the Christmas and New Year holiday, so we had to stop going to the gym. But you know what? Guess who's back? Yeah, so we decided to lock in, guys. Yeah, see you at the gym.
Like controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a waste thing, shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they knowing I lie for you. Thinking I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Controller. Yeah. Like controller. Controller. Yeah. But you can't just diss and come tell man sorry. You can't listen to me talk, then go tell my story. It don't work like that when you lost somebody. My old flex is my new flex now, and we're working on it. And that's why I need all the energy that you bring to me. My last girl would tear me apart, but she never.
OOTD, guys. Yeah, we paired this pink with this green, and I love the outcome. Yes, cute clutch bag. Yeah, and our elder sister that sent it to us, I think last year, and I treasure it so much. We are off to our hair appointment, and we are gonna see you guys there. Ciao, ciao.
I just wanna remind, I haven't seen you in a long time. You got me feeling so lonely. Even when you come through, I can tell that it isn't you. So baby, bring it in closely. Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet. I always find a way to say the wrong things. I wish that we were laying in the same sheet, but lately you've been acting like you hard me. Come
Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, I hope you slept well because we did. Yeah. Oh, did we? We did, definitely did. Yeah, it's just the constant waking up, checking the time. Oh my god. Yeah, so, but we didn't actually sleep enough. We didn't get enough rest, guys. Yeah. In fact, I'm still sleepy right now. But you know what? We have no choice. Yeah. We have to go and do what we have planned. You get what I mean? Yeah. So today we are going for our nail appointment, and we told you guys yesterday. Yesterday we were back around, I think 8 or 9. Yeah, 8 or 9. Yeah. I love my hair so much. I love it, you guys. Take a look at this. I think we should continue doing more braids because last year we did more of wigs. Yeah. But I think this year we should try more braids, sewings, you know. You guys, the time is 7:18. Our nail appointment is actually 12 p.m. Yeah. But today is back day and we'll take more time. I'm even kind of scared because the lady said, let me read the message that she sent. She said, please be on time, sis. Yeah. Because it's 12 p.m. and I'm working on both of you, hands and legs. Yeah, because we gotta do our toes too, you guys. Like, I'm scared. And we're also trying to film for both Instagram, TikTok, YouTube together. And we are actually trying to be consistent, like, as we're living, we are filming. So just like yesterday, we did our hair and we filmed. And today we're going to do our nails, go to the gym, and we're also going to film. Catch you guys later. Yeah.
There's just something I gotta tell you that.
Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet. I haven't seen you in a long time. You got me feeling so lonely. Even when you come through, I can tell that it isn't you. So baby, bring it in closely. Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet. I always find a way to say the wrong things. I wish that we were laying.
Hey y'all, it's been a minute since we've been back here. Yeah, today is Wednesday and today is our rest. Oh my god, today we were, what's that word they call it? We're bed rotting. Yeah, we've been on bed all through. You guys, let's show you our nails. I'm not sure we got a proper view. This is so gorgeous. I love it. Can you guys see this? This is so cute. In love. Right. Guys, and the fact that we love black and white so much. Yeah, and we love French tip. So just imagine black and white on French tip.
This
Oh
is
my god, it's too gorgeous. I hope you do like it. I wish I can show you my tooth, but that's going to be so weird.
Make sure you recreate our nails.
Yeah. We started a new series on Instagram and on TikTok, Twin Sisters Living Together. It's just like this vlog.
Yes, but it's just a shorter version.
Yeah, it's a shorter version and a daily vlog. This is a weekly vlog, so it's going to be longer.
Yeah, and we've been filming since, was it Sunday or Monday?
On Sunday.
Exactly.
On Sunday, we filmed meal prep.
Yeah.
Monday, we're going to do our hair.
Yeah.
Tuesday,
Just like that. So we'll be
filming our
filming
news, yeah.
for like 3 days.
And be
back to back.
posting too.
Yeah.
And you guys, the engagement is so encouraging.
It's encouraging, and we're so appreciative of that. And it'll make us to do more.
Yeah, and be motivated. Yeah. We got like a little gift for ourselves.
Yeah.
You guys, the thing is that I and Goody, we hardly get ourselves stuff.
Yeah.
Like, that's so bad of us. But you know, this is 2026. We're changing that.
Change, exactly.
Yeah, we're gonna be getting more stuff this year for ourselves. You know, spoil ourselves.
Yeah.
Right? We can't just be working and working and working and we are not spending on our. Come on, let's show you what we got.
Where will this start first? Let's start
Okay, so I'm going
this to this.
Okay. Hold on. Yeah, so we've actually unboxed this, but we just want to show you guys.
My home does not have the one I unboxed actually before I had this. The box is actually different. Like
Just for this film.
Similar.
Yeah. So let's show you
some
guys
context.
that is inside.
Okay, this is so cute. Wow.
Can you guys see
Where's the
this?
total one?
There are actually 3 shades. Yeah.
Let me show you. I have a proper view. So this is, we are always scared of buying gold jewelry.
Yeah, scared of it washing.
Yeah, it can wash up, but we just decided to face our fear this time.
Yeah.
And just get it because
I'm just gonna say that you're not going to wear this forever, so
yeah.
You guys, this is so gorgeous.
We're always more of a silver girl because of that. But trust me, this is so good.
Right?
So we have like 3
3-in-1 stockings. I can't wait to try this and see how it actually looks. Yeah, that's not the only thing we got.
Yes, let's show you the next one. And the next item
that we got.
Yeah. As I've said earlier, we don't have any gold, like those gold jewelries. We only have like silver watches, everything.
Yeah.
And this right here,
a what?
A
pink
gold
watch.
Okay, I think it's pink rose
gold pink watch. Let's see this. This is actually so cute.
I can't believe we got this for ourselves.
Right?
I'm so grateful.
And we worked so hard for this, right?
Cute. I actually love when we get things for ourselves. Like, as we started getting things for ourselves, especially when we buy it each. And I'm so grateful to God for
that.
Because growing up, we didn't really have that opportunity to like have most of our stuff like one.
Can you see this? Can you see it is big? So we're thinking of giving it to one lady like that to help us, you know.
Like to take like I think 4.
So she have like 4 of it. So it can fit properly.
We've always been saying that okay, we want to go out and do things differently.
Yeah.
But we're very, very tired at the moment. Going back to back.
It's actually stressful.
It's even tiring.
And we also need to edit because we're trying to be consistent.
Exactly.
So we got this online, you guys. Cluster lashes.
Meta always be saying she wants what's the length you talked about again?
I wanted
I think 18 or 16 mm.
Yeah.
It's thicker, bigger, fuller, longer, everything.
Fluffy.
Yes. And honestly, we can't wait to try this and show you the outcome.
We'll be trying it tomorrow, by the way.
Yeah.
It came with this tweezers, the large board and seal.
I really love the part that it came in color black.
Yeah.
Like it is so
so nice.
So nice.
I love it. Let me show you. So we'll be showing you guys tomorrow. Hopefully it comes out well.
It will definitely come over.
Of course. So we're going to bed now.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. We missed you. Hope you missed us. I know too. I know we spoke to you guys yesterday, but another day.
We just go back from the gym. Again,
Every time.
That's always when we have time, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we had watermelon for dinner.
Yes, and we just filmed reels. Something that we have actually been taking seriously that I love is filming as like
The day goes.
as a day
What
goes.
we are actually
What we're
doing.
actually doing. And last year it was actually more of batch contenting.
Yeah, but this year it's
Yeah.
all about, filming, living and filming.
Yeah, film as it is, and I think I'm loving
This,
loving it.
right?
I just pray that we don't get consistent here.
I'm hoping I don't give up too.
So
Easy.
no, like we should not give up.
I don't know. Anyway, guys, we got some items,
Yeah,
I feel like we worked so hard that we delayed this,
yeah.
right?
Of course, baby.
Let's show you what we
got.
Let's do it on both wristwatch. This wasn't even planned.
For
Yeah.
church on Sunday because we've always been doing, you understand now, online. We're online streamers. But this year we decided to like go to church
I want to
physically.
look on that.
Yeah.
I praise
The
first thing about the guy.
can't wait for you to see it.
I just really hope I got everything.
It's turned out.
So we have this
Big
bag.
Yeah.
You guys, I didn't even know this bag is
Yeah. I think we have one bag that is pink, and this is one of our biggest pink bag that we have. So
This is huge.
I think you go back to Africa. Wow! Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. I love it.
Oh my
so
god, the
much.
quality is tea.
Please, where's my clothes? Can I see it?
I think check inside the bag. Oh my god, you guys, this is the bag.
We barely spent things on ourselves, and this year we are going to spoil ourselves as
So
many times
I'm
as we
telling
can.
you.
This is beautiful.
Oh my god, I'm literally so
And that
obsessed.
is giving. Oh my god, I want to place my Lord on Sunday. Oh my god, look at the.
These are first
Pink heels. Yes, we had one pink, like wedge, like wedge slippers, but we already like gave it out already. Because his is in pink heels, and how is it?
Oh my god,
It's beautiful.
I love it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is just
so gorgeous, guys.
I'm upset. Me too. And I love this spiral on here. Stay. Yeah.
That's what I can work with this.
It's like this
Glittering.
silver.
Wow. I just want to give you guys update. This is going to be the last clip you're going to see in this vlog. Yeah, I know you're wondering why you can't see Goody here. Goody is actually not feeling so well. When we came back from the gym, we went to have lunch. Yeah, we have to eat out. But Goody did not have appetite. She had like 2 spoons and we had to like pack the food. We couldn't eat again. I also lost my appetite and did not eat again. I need to take care of my sister right now, so I will talk to you guys next week. I really hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. To be honest, I feel like we tried our best, honestly. Tried our best, and really hope that we're able to update you guys about our life this week and you guys enjoyed watching. Anyway, if you enjoyed watching, you can drop a red heart or you can just drop a comment. We're gonna really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. Bye, y'all.